Bueno, final exam. Hello, Grisel.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Grisel, what do you usually do on the weekend?
I usually study English and work.
And work. Muy bien. Irais, hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Irais, what do you usually do on Monday?
On Monday, I usually buy
Bye.
and I watch TV
And I watch TV.
and I read books.
I read a book. Muy bien. Hello, Reina.
Hello, baby.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I am fine too. Thank you very much. Reina, what do you like to eat?
I like to eat rice with eggs.
With eggs. Muy bien. And what do you like to drink?
I like to drink milk with chocolate.
With chocolate. Muy bien. Grisel, please, what did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday?
I went to Pachuca and
Swim?
swim in the lake yesterday.
Muy bien. Irais, what will you do next Sunday?
I will go to Pachuca and I will buy a new car.
A new car? Do you have a lot of money?
Yes. I have any.
A lot of
Any money.
A lot of money. A lot of money. Muy bien. Reina, please. What will your son do tomorrow?
My son will go to work.
To work?
And he goes to listen music.
Él va a escuchar música. ¿Cómo se dice? Él va a escuchar.
He will go.
Él va a escuchar, solo va a escuchar. He will listen.
He will listen music.
He will listen to music. Muy bien. Grisel, what do you have to do every day? What do you have to do every day?
I have to work every day and I have to make the bed and I have to read a book.
I have to read a book. Irais, what would you like to eat? What would you like to eat?
I would like to eat vegetables.
Vegetables?
And a lot of fruit. And chicken with potatoes.
Muy bien. Perfecto. Reina, where would you like to go? Where would you like to go?
I would I would like to visit my aunt
Ajá.
and my sister too.
Ajá. I would like to visit my aunt and my sister too. Ajá, muy bien. Grisel, why do you study English?
Why I like study English?
Why do you study English?
Because
Uh-huh.
I like to study English.
I like to study English. Ajá. Irais, did you like to study English with Filippo?
Yes, I
Liked?
like study English with Philip.
Ajá, muy bien. Reina, why do you study English? Why do you study English?
Because I like.
Ajá.
Because I like studying English
Uh-huh.
with Philip.
Ajá, because I like to study English with Filippo. Ajá, and the last question, Grisel, what is your mother doing right now? What is your mother doing right now?
My mother
Mhm.
is cooking in my house.
In my house? Uh-huh.
And my mother is
Is watching?
watching TV
Mhm.
and reading a book.
Reading a book. Uh-huh. Irais, please tell me about your friend.
My friend's name is Mariela.
Mhm.
She is 18 years old. She is pretty and always
Smiles?
smiles.
Uh-huh.
She studies in Pachuca. She likes to eat a lot of fruit and vegetables.
Vegetables? Mhm.
She works in Huasca
Mhm.
because she is a shop assistant.
Mhm.
She studies English with Filippo.
Uh-huh.
She is a good daughter and a good sister too.
Uh-huh. Perfecto. Muy bien. Thank you very much. And Reina, please tell me about your son.
His name son is Gabriel.
His name is Gabriel. Mhm. What does he like to do? What does he like to eat?
He likes
He likes?
to eat
Mhm.
rice with eggs.
Mhm.
He likes to drink milk
Mhm.
with coffee.
Mhm.
He likes
He likes
to listen music.
to listen to music. Mhm.
He likes dance.
To dance.
To
Uh-huh.
dance.
What is his last name?
His last name is Montaño.
Montaño. Uh-huh. And
Cortés too.
uh-huh. And where does he live? Where does he live?
He lives in the Huasca.
In Huasca. Okay, my friends, thank you very much. Aplauso para ustedes. It was great. Thank you very much.